Right, there's been some progress in this little Schaller steam engine. Lovely little machine, extremely old. I didn't give it a proper, I've given it a pretty good clean down, and I've run it, that's why it's a bit black again. I haven't painted anything, or I've just left it as original really. But I've borrowed, when I fired it up the other day, I didn't have I just had a plug in there, and I weren't happy with that because I didn't know what temperature or pressure was at. So I've borrowed a pressure valve from one of my other machines. I've had all the piston off and I've cleaned it all. I've managed to oil it. It's not getting stuck anymore. Well, it wasn't. There's not much to these, so it's easy for it to move about. But anyway, I'm going to give it a go and steam it up again. I don't think it's going to take long. There's not too much to these. But yeah, W Schaller. I don't know what the W stand for. Probably William or Wilfred or Walter. But yeah, nice little machine. Nice little machine. Let's tighten down a bit. But yeah, it's a bit of a mystery one. But this did clean up because it was all black. This all the bracket was all black, and it's actually brass. It's actually brass. So this is just like a little Sunday morning steam. Probably could do with a bit of wash around there. That'll be all right for now. At least I've got a pressure valve, so I can. You know, the trouble is with these little things, you don't know. You don't know what the pressure is. There's no pressure gauge. There's no water level. But it's got a pressure valve, so if it got more than what it should do, it'll release them, and I'll just turn the gas off. I've got it running on a little Bix in there, but I quite like it. Like I said before, I don't have to have a big expensive steam engine, and if you're new to steam engines, you'll get as much pleasure of running a small steam engine once it starts running as you would anything else. So that's the attraction to the whole steam engine hobby to me. Let's just take a drink of my tea. That's the whole attraction for me. It's just seeing them running, whether it be an expensive machine or a cheaper machine. If they haven't been run for a long time, and I know this one wouldn't have been run for a long time. I'm actually surprised that's leaking so much. I can't touch it there because that's red hot. I'm surprised it's leaking too much, but it's got a washer on the bottom there as well. Anyway, it'll run, and it still will give off pressure if it gets too high. But yeah, once you get an old machine and you get it running again, that's where the pleasure is and enjoyment. It's just seeing it run again, you know, and the fact that someone when you look at these old machines, someone bought these brand new. Someone this is their pride and joy. They cleaned it, they polished it, and you know, looked after it, and they oiled it, and they've done all the things they should be doing. And then of course, hundreds of years later, or a long time later, 50, 60, 70 years later, I mean, this is probably over 100 years old. It's nice to, you know, sort of continue to care if you can. And some people, they do look after them very well. I mean, they're extremely good condition. It looks like some of them don't even get used. But I use everything I've got, I use it. Nothing's just sat on the shelf, you know, not used. It does take the time, when you've got a few, it does take time to go around them all. You look at them and think, oh, I haven't run that one for a while. But yeah, so it's still building pressure up. But yeah, it's a simple single acting, you know, piston cylinder. But yeah, these are common. That's common on many models. But it's an effective way of getting a cheap engine. Wants a good polish. I don't know whether I should polish it. I need to put a chimney on. Needs a chimney, because that would, you can see that there would have been a little chimney on there. Probably only about that high. Probably 50 millimeters, 2 inches. I would maybe 3, but no more than that. Still building, still building. Frame's going good. Frame's going good. I'd like to know a bit more about this W Schaller brand, because I've never heard of them. It was just someone left a message on the forum saying that that's the actual brand that it is, but I've searched it on the internet, can't find anything. Can't find a photograph, any text or anything to do with that brand. Anyway, that's what they said it is. What you notice when this starts going, the condensation shoots out this side, so we know the pressure's nearly getting up, because I end up with a lot of a wet mark along here. Well, not quite really. Be a couple of minutes probably. But yeah, I oiled all that. Oiled everything in there. I think that's all it was. I think it just wanted oiling. They all sit around for years and years and years, and you know, and they're machinery. I mean, all machinery needs oil. It helps to lubricate it, helps to seal it, helps protect it. That's what I find as well. So now it's stopped leaking now. What I find is when you first light, see there's a little bit coming out, but when you first light a steam engine up, it's all loose. And when you actually and it starts to heat up, everything expands and it tightens the joints up a bit. When the steam's up, you haven't got much of a pipe to get through. You've got, you know, what's that? 25 millimeters, 1 inch from there to the cylinder. So you're not going to get too much condensation on a little thing like this. Right, time for another swig of tea and it'll probably be ready. What it was, there was too much water in there. There's a lot of water in there. Yeah, this runs quite nicely now. Simple little engine, so it's nice to see it running. You get a lot of smoke off them fixed boilers. I need to fine tune it a bit now. But yeah, little W Schaller working away. I think the pressure's building up. On that, turn it, get it down a bit. Anyway, I thought you'd like that one. Up and running. That's the soot is just burning. So that's what that smoke is. There's nothing else there to burn. Yeah, another nice little model rescued. Instruments are clean. But, yeah, working as it should. Cheers, guys.